He likes that.
Let me. Can you go see Uncle Jay for a
Yeah,
second?
come see me. There, hi, buddy.
What's the matter, Dominic?
You want water from me? Here, you want some water? He doesn't want water. No, let me keep him for me. He'll settle down. He'll settle down, I promise. Come on, buddy. What's the matter?
He just needs his hygiene. That's all there is to it. Come here, son. Come here. Oh. Hi. Just all he needs is his mom.
Mama's boy.
He is a mama's boy.
You come get Gene though, huh? Yeah, come tell Aunt Gene. Oh. You're breaking my heart. You're breaking my heart. You're breaking my heart. What? Oh, close, Mom. I don't have any kind of status here.
Oh, that's YouTube bound for sure.